There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to Developer Insight Call, or Developer Setup Call. Holiday week, so I know a lot of people are traveling or not trading this week. I see a lot of usual names here. Who here actually needs help getting set up? You need help getting set up with AIRO drop. I need help in the chat. If not, then drop in the chat what you guys want to go over. All right, this call, if we have nobody that needs help getting set up, then what we do is, we'll go over things that you guys want to go over to help you, get more acclimated and up to speed, get all your questions answered, as well as, potentially go out and look for some potential trades. What do you guys want to do? I don't think anybody on this call needs to be set up. So you guys let me know what it is you want to do. Don't speak all at once. If you get an alert, but there's no AIRO, not really sure I know about that issue. I look into that one. I've never heard about that issue. But if you have no AIRO, you take no. I mean, there's nothing you can do. So I'll look into that. I'm not. Do you know, is that a certain time frame, a certain broker? I don't have that issue. Every time I get an alert, there's an AIRO showing. So is that the dashboard or is that AIRO itself? Okay. I'll look into it, but there's no AIRO. If you get alert and no AIRO, nothing you can do. You need to have the AIRO. Same thing. Again, no AIRO. To alert. I'll look into the issue. Like I said, I don't hear that. I've never heard that issue before. I don't have that issue. And trust me, if that issue was a big issue, it would be all over the place. Everyone would be talking about it. So maybe it's the broker that you utilize. I'm not really sure, but I'll look into it. And I would say, go ahead and put a support ticket in and see if they can help you out. They may just need to reissue you a new VPS, that can help clear everything up for you. Anybody else? How do I get set up for market maker alerts? Do you have the AP Live version of AIRO? Can you get on live trade session? Original version, okay. Check it. It should be. All right. Let me find. Then what I'll do is I'll and then pin it. So there's. Oh, hold on. I got it. I believe in my saved messages, but it's a simple video that our majority owner, Mr. Bill Wynn of the company, he created that shows you the basic steps on how to get. Yeah, there it is. So I am forwarding it right now to the AIRO bag chat. All right. And then I'm going to pin it to the group. All right. Please check the AIRO bag chat. Watch that video. It shows you the steps that you need to upgrade to get the AP Live version. And then once you upgrade, he walks you through in the video where to access all the new, upgrades, the live trade rooms, the Everybody Eats chat in the AP Live that has all the information as far as the market maker signals and alerts. All right. So watch that video. It's a quick little 12, 13-minute video. Watch that and it will take care of you. Once you upgrade, it takes about a week before you have access. So just keep in mind, they only charge you a prorated amount. So they won't charge you the full amount when you first start because you only get a prorated because it takes a week to upgrade. But starting the second week, you get charged the full month because you'll have access then. But yeah, watch that video I just put into the chat. You'll be good to go. Check GJ for money zone breakout. All right, let's check GJ. I'm not a money zone breakout type of guy. Plus, the money zone breakout typically needs to be inside the money zone. I don't know. Right now, we are not in the money zone. All right, let me share my screen so you guys can see here. go. All right. So GJ, 15-minute time frame. Previous day's money zone is here. And technically, it already broke the money zone, so we are late. It broke it over 30 minutes ago on this candle. So we got in, we'd be up about 12 pips. So we're already late on that one right there. Let's go over here, here, and check GJ. To the market maker buy trend. All right. So the market maker buy trend. So definitely is a good trade to take as we're in a buy trend now. Definitely a good trade to take. It's going with the trend. For us, taking it, taking it on the 15-minute. If you take it on the H1, you're late as well. Should have entered in about 18 minutes ago. Yeah, top of the hour. On H, 23 pips up to the zone. All right, so again, great call. New uptrend. Good call out. We're a little late for that. Anybody else? Where is everybody, man? Really the holidays? All right, well, let's go to the charts and see if we can't. Oh, we got somebody typing. Go to charts here in a minute, see if we can't find some trades. We got a question coming in. Nope. All right, let's go ahead and take the charts. See if we can find us a little trade. So GJ definitely would have been a good move right there. Bag entry, that's the best trade too. That's the second arrow of the bag entry and a money zone breakout. And the trend is overall uptrend. That'd have been an easy 25, 23, 24, 25 pips almost to the zone. So that'd have been an easy trade right there for us to take. All right. That'd been a good move. It's already halfway there. Let's look at GU. All right. Yeah. Look at the H1. Look at the bigger time frame. All right. Yep, GU's in a sell trend now. Let's reset. G-Chef. All right, G-Chef is still in the uptrend. GJ we know is an uptrend. What is this? GCAT is still uptrend. GR still uptrend. GN still. Oh, let's see. Should be uptrend now. GN uptrend. All right, uptrend. All right, GN uptrend. So everything is uptrend except for GU. GU's downtrend. Everything else is uptrend as far as the G pairs go. All right, now that we know that, only GU's downtrend. So GU's here. So let's go get another pair. GI. Now, why am I looking at H1? Look at H1, see if we can't find us a decent move. good move. 25, 50 pip move. All right. GK has an uptrend, but it's hitting resistance. All right, leave it alone. Yen. Yen is an uptrend as well. Inside resistance. We'll leave it alone. And where is G Chef? G Chef is in an uptrend, but it's at resistance. So everything is at or inside resistance right now for the most part, or just no setup. All right, so let's take a look at gold. Take a look at gold. Gold had a nice fall today. So a lot of people made some nice money off gold today. Nice money. Look at that bag entry right there. Bag entry. Boom. We got in here. Draw down 41 pips. Drop 372. Woo! That is a 1-to-18 ratio. Beautiful setup right there. We go look at gold. We can see gold is in a clear market maker sell trend. Clearly. It's been in one for the last 5 days. In that sell trend. So she's been looking for sales for the last 5 days. We'll see. We'll see. It came down to a level right here. You can see here of imbalance. You can see that's where it's bouncing off at. All right. So it wouldn't surprise me to see gold making a nice move to the upside. Let's go look at gold here. Let's go back to gold. Let's mark that here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go see it on a lower time frame. M15, M5. M5 look decent. M5 looks decent. Let's go add the binary ATM on top. Leg one, leg one, leg two, leg two, leg three, leg three. Now it's making it leg four. Into the zone though. I don't like it. M15 is coming down. M30 is still going up there. Doesn't really line up for me, so definitely not gonna touch gold. Not gonna touch that. All right. They'll go on the G pairs. We'll come back and look last night. Show you guys what I caught last night on DAX. So you guys can see here, for those that know how I trade institutional wise, you see the majority of the candles before London open were above the 50% low of Asia. So I was expecting a buy. I was expecting a buy. It was a very weak buy, but I got one. Price came down. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. All right. Price came down here. All right. And you can see it here. Price came down. Let me get rid of this. Oh, that's not what I want to get rid of. Snaps. Anyway, price came down here. So London Open started here. You can see it shot up and it came back down and just kind of went crazy with the wicks just being stupid. But it finally came down to what? Came down to the previous low All right, an order block right here of for the day. Also, this pink area right here is the zero gravity level, as I call it. Made us a nice long-tailed doji and then a bullish engulfing. I got in here and some other entries on the way up. All right, took this to the top of Asia. I'm sorry, the top of London. And then you can see it reversed. All right, reversed, and there was a big gap. All right, you can see here the gap from from when it opened that day. So then I took the sell all the way down, and I took profit. Well, I had my stop loss got hit right in this area right here. And then I went to bed, and you can see what it did later on. Came back up to this zero gravity, dropped like a rock, came back up to zero gravity. That zero gravity is man, it's crazy. It loves to come back to zero gravity. Look at that. Came back to zero gravity for what? New York session, and then dropped big. All right. Now we've got another gap. All right. And we can see majority of the candles so far are above the 50% level of Asia. I can physically see that. So I would expect so far a buy, but we'll see. Still got a lot more hours left until the day starts. Or until London gets here. All right. GN shot up. I took an L on GJ yesterday. I took this candle right here for Asia breakout. Immediately reversed on me and then shot up. So those are the moves that I hate. Those are the moves that I hate. So man, look at the trend. It's up. I knew it was going to break up. And it pulled back on me and then shot up. So it hit my stop loss 40 pips. It actually went like 40 from my entry. About 49 pips in reverse. So I was a little upset about that. Now, why did I the trend? Number one, I was expecting about majority of the candles for Asia above the 50%. Therefore, I was anticipating DAX to buy. So I anticipate DAX to buy, and I know that the GBP pairs follow DAX most of the time. All right. It pulled back on me, but it bought just like I thought it would, just going into New York session. So and then also liquidity candles, long candles. These are institutional candles. You know, banks, hedge funds, they make these candles. They make these candles. So I knew price back up to re-secure all that liquidity. So my TP was set right here, where this order block was at, right here. That's where my TP was set, right there. So I had a TP of 65 with a stop loss of 40, and got lost that trade. It's all good. We had direction right, trade was right. Just had a tight stop loss. Actually, it wasn't too tight. 40 pips still. That's a good, healthy stop loss. Just pulled back before it ran up. It's all good. It's all good. All right. Let me come back here. I don't see any trades right now. See what you guys talking about in here. All right, nothing. All right. As far as this week, guys, goes, we have, I believe, one more call for the week. Dante and Jackie will do a call tomorrow. I will not be doing any calls this week because mine are Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, Friday morning. So the day before, the day of, and the day after Thanksgiving holiday here in the United States. So the London session calls will be canceled this week because of the holidays. If I do one, it might be a surprise pop-up call tomorrow night. But other than that, for sure, Thursday and Friday, definitely not going to be doing any calls. And if I do a call on Wednesday, it'll be just the London Open call, depending on how the volatility is moving. So if I see some good volume in the market, like normal, like now, then I'll do a pop-up call. But as of right now, all calls are canceled other than tomorrow's New York session call. Just due to the holidays. All right. Any other comments, questions, concerns? It's gonna be a short call. Not really much to go over. Not a lot of people here. I was expecting a lot of the newbies to be here that I talked to this week, but or over the weekend, but nobody showed up. Any comments, questions, concerns before we get off? None? All right, guys, we're going to trade tonight. Make sure to trade responsibly. Oh, got somebody typing. Hold on. Come on, man. You wait till we get up. That's about to ask a question. I say, yeah, we get ready to get off. We ask them last minute Hail Mary questions. Hey, thank you, for supporting. A lot of big things in store. So if you're going to trade tonight, make sure you trade responsibly. And I'll see you guys in the Funny Papers.